Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple neem face pack or a night cream. Let's get started. First off, we need neem leaves, which is a great acne fighter and clears scars and pigmentation. Rose water, which maintains our skin pH balance. Turmeric powder, which treats uneven skin tone and gives us a natural glow. Corn flour, which leaves our skin soft and dries up the excess oil. Aloe vera gel, which has vitamin A and vitamin C. First off, take 20 to 30 neem leaves and add some rose water in it. Grind the ingredients together in a mixture. Now, pour the mixture in a strainer and extract the juice from it. Neem juice is very effective. Some people even intake it. Mix it and strain it as we only need the neem juice. So this is the quantity. I used only 30 leaves. Now add 1 teaspoon of corn flour in it and mix it well. Corn flour leaves our skin soft and clear and it dries up the excess oil in our face. Here we use the corn flour to just thicken the paste. It is done by the double boiling method. Now we boil some water as it is the base. On top of this, we double boil the neem mixture to get a thick paste. Keep mixing the mixture as it tends to lump up. After 5 minutes or so, the consistency would look like this. This is the correct time to turn off the gas and let it to cool down. Once it cools down, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Turmeric powder is used by people for ages as it treats uneven skin tone and it also gives a natural glow. Now add 2 pumps of aloe vera gel, roughly about 2 tablespoons. We can take natural aloe vera gel or the processed one. I have used the YLG aloe vera gel, which I would link it in the description box. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil has a lot of good properties as we can use it as a natural moisturizer and it also reduces inflammation. It increases the collagen production and helps to prevent infection. It hydrates our skin as it has fatty acids and lauric acid, which has antibacterial properties. And we are done with the pack. I'm storing this in a fridge as we are not using any preservative. We could use this for a maximum of 1 week and not more than that. I personally like to use this as a pack. Apply it on my face, keep it for 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. We can also leave it overnight and use it as a night cream. It is best for people who are struggling with acne as I have personally tried this and saw great results. All the products used in the video would be linked in the description box. That is all for now guys. Bye.